So you guys ready for treats? Who wants a treat? Who wants a treat? Newton, guard the treats while we get Fred Farm Cat. There goes Fred Farm Cat. There goes Freddy. There's Zipper. Hi, Zip. The sofa cats. Now, come on, Snarls. Come on, Reversala. Who wants a treat? Reversala, you're going the wrong way. Snarls, do you like treat? Do ya? Snarly. Snarly. Come on, Reversala. Last place Charlie there. Misty. Always somebody who has to be optional. Misty, move cat. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, treat activity. Alright, guys. Looks like I have quite the mess to get cleaned up in here before I go to work. You guys be good today, okay? No, Dr. Smalls.